I want to share something profound with you today. God is about to surprise you, and life-changing miracles are on their way to you. You may not see it yet, but you can feel it coming, because within you is the power to make it real. Trust the process. Believe in what you cannot see, and harness the immense power of your imagination. You see, you are what you believe. Your imagination is not just a tool, but the very bridge between your desires and your reality. If you can see it in your mind and feel it in your heart, it is already yours. That's the truth. The key to unlocking the miracles in your life is simple. You must first believe that it is possible. Don't be distracted by what you see around you. Your reality is not determined by external circumstances. It is created by what you choose to believe. If you can see your desires clearly in your mind, then they are already on their way to you. Imagine them now, feel them now, and know they are yours. Here's where the magic happens. The law of assumption states that you must assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. So I ask you, what would your life look like if your deepest desires were already realized? How would you feel if what you've longed for was already in your possession? Walk in that feeling. Assume it's true, and you will find that it becomes true. There's no need to look for external validation. You don't have to wait for the right moment. What you seek is already within you. All you need to do is align your thoughts and actions with the assumption that it is done. Once you do this, the universe will shift to make it so. Your faith will work wonders, and the world will rearrange itself to match your inner belief. Now, I understand that doubt and fear are natural, but know this: doubt cannot exist where faith is present. You must choose. Will you trust God and the infinite power within you, or will you allow doubt to control you? Your dreams are already on the way, but they cannot come to fruition if you allow fear to block them. Let go of doubt and trust that miracles are coming to you. You must make the decision today to believe, regardless of the circumstances around you. You must refuse to be moved by anything that suggests your desires won't come to pass. The obstacles, the setbacks, they are temporary. What is permanent is your faith, and with that faith, God will bring your dreams to fruition. Take a moment now. What do you truly desire? What dream have you been holding in your heart? Picture it. Feel. Assume that it's already yours. Can you feel the joy, the peace, the sense of fulfillment? That is the vibration you must hold on to, for that is what will bring it into being. God is not distant. God is with you in every breath, in every heartbeat, and through that connection, miracles are already lined up for you. All you need to do is step into them. Every time you express gratitude as if it's already done, you open the door for the miraculous to unfold. Say thank you even before you see the evidence. So as you move through this day, remember this truth. God is about to surprise you. You do not need to know how or when it will come. You need only to believe. Step out in faith. Keep visualizing, keep assuming, and trust that the life-changing miracles you seek are already on their way. Stay aligned with your purpose. Know that God is always at work within you, and hold fast to the belief that your breakthrough is imminent. The surprises of life are coming, and you are about to see them unfold before your very eyes. Now, if you're ready to step into this truth and begin manifesting the life you desire,